Hey class, it's Mrs. Compost, and today we're going to be talking about percentages. Now, this is something important that you're going to use a lot in life, so pay close attention as we go through this unit, okay? Alright, let's get started with looking at our IXL. Today we're going to be working on S1 for 6th grade. What percentage is illustrated? So here on the screen, I have a 10 by 10 block. So it's actually a 1 that's been zoomed in. So that 1 zoomed in means that this is actually a decimal. So we did this earlier in the year where you had 100 on the bottom because there's 100 total pieces, and then you figured out how much was shaded. So it's 1/100th. So that as a decimal you wrote as 1/100th. So that just means it's 1%, because when you get 100% on a test, that's all of the points. It's out of 100. If you miss 1%, you would have 99%. Here, we only have 1% of the blocks filled in. So it's asking me to write my answer as a percentage. So I'm going to write 1, and then I'm going to use the percent sign, which is above the 5 on the keyboard, if you're using a keyboard. Okay, this one, I am going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So that's 57 hundredths. Now you won't need to do all of this work. I'm just showing you so you understand how it relates to percentages and decimals and fractions. So what I'm actually doing here with the decimal, I am moving it 2 places to the right, and I get my percent, 57%. So 2 places to the right changes it to a percent. This one we have 10, 20, 3, so that's 23%. Okay, you know that there's 10 sections, and there's 2 that are white, so 10 minus 2 is 8, so there's 80%. Okay, I'm going to do this one, and then we're going to skip ahead a level. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that's 5/100ths. So as a decimal, that's a crazy decimal, isn't it? 5/100ths, like that. So moving 1, 2 to the right, it's 5%. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and skip ahead. Very similar. That one is 3 blocks, so it's 3%. And it doesn't seem like it's changed much. We have 1, 2, 3 tens, so 30%. Okay, this one, you have the entire thing. So as a fraction, you would have 100 of 100, which is equal to 1 whole. Now, if you remember, in 1 whole, our decimal's right here at the end. We make it really big and exaggerated. So if I move it 2 places to the right, I have 1, 2, So my answer is 100%. I'm sure you knew that, but I wanted you to know the decimal parts of it so that it'll be easier when we do our next lesson. So here's 100%. All right, let's go ahead and work on your assignment for today, and I will see you next time. Bye.